Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel Vijay.net. Wait. Isn't it so much weird and same way to welcome someone? Yeah, when you wish someone and when we greet someone in the same way, so it can be quite weird, and that is why you need to use the alternative way. And alternative way can help you to improve in English, and that can be so much great. So today in this lesson, we are going to learn about some alternative way to welcome someone that can be really great. Because every time we say like welcome to our house, welcome to our YouTube channel, welcome to dash. So here we can use some alternative way to welcoming someone, to greet someone, and that will be really great. So I don't want to waste a lot of time of you. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is me Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Vijay.net. So as you know and as I mentioned before, that today in this lesson we are gonna learn about something different, and we are gonna learn about a very great thing that's related to our daily life. Because you know that in our daily life sometimes we greet someone like this way, that's welcome to our house, welcome to our YouTube channel, welcome to our party, welcome to our village, blah blah blah. So we can use this. This is the one and only one that we can use every time. So today we are gonna kick out this welcome to dash, and we are gonna use some different way, to some alternative way to welcome someone and to greet someone. That's gonna be really great. So as you know that this is a very common sentence, that's welcome to your dash, welcome to your dash, blah blah blah. It's a very common way, but today we are gonna use, and from today after watching this lesson, you are gonna use some different way to greet someone, to welcome someone. So the first one is, that is so much common and you all know about it, that is welcome to our dash, welcome to dash. So here you can put anything that you need, that you want, that like welcome to our house, welcome to our YouTube channel, welcome to our village, welcome to our party, welcome to, like as you wish and as you need, you can put here like welcome to our dash, welcome to our dash. You can put anything that you want. The next one is, we are welcoming you with great pleasure. We are welcoming you with great pleasure. That means this is a great combination of happiness and everything. So here you can use that, we are welcoming you with great pleasure. You are always welcome here. You are always welcome here. So here you can use that, you are always welcome here. So that means that you don't need to get any kinds of permission, or you don't need to give anything from us. You're always welcome here, and it's a so much great way and smarter one to welcome someone. That means you are always welcome here. We received a warm welcome. Received a warm welcome. That means you've received a warm welcome on today. So here you can use that, we received a warm welcome. The next one is quite different and quite big, but it's so much smarter one. If you can use this, it will be real great. If you can memorize it, and if you can use it, don't need to memorize. You have to say anything as you wish. So the next one is, we are showing you warm ovation and welcome for coming here. So here you can push anything like, we are showing you warm ovation and welcome for coming here. So coming here, you can put anything that you need and that you need to put here. So here you can use that, we are showing you warm ovation and welcome for coming here. We are showing you warm ovation and welcome for coming here. So here you can use all of them in a great way, and I hope you will use all of them in a great way at your daily life. And you don't need to memorize it, as I said before. You have to practice it. It's so too much practical situation. It can create a great situation if you can use it. So I request all of you to use it in your practical moment in your life, and that will be really great. And kick out the word welcome to our dash, welcome to dash, and you can use these kinds of alternative way here. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you love this presentation, and if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Vijaya.net, and of course press that bell icon for my next video. Thank you so much for watching me and listening to me, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and of course follow these kinds of alternative way to great someone. Thank you so much. Bye bye.